Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your engine piston rings. Specifically, how to tell if those little guys are causing you some big headaches. And the best part? We're going to do it with an easy compression test, no fancy tools needed. So, what exactly are piston rings? Imagine them as the unsung heroes of your engine. They sit snugly on your pistons and have two main jobs. First, they seal the combustion chamber, keeping all that fiery explosion where it belongs, so you get all the power from your engine. Second, they help control the oil, making sure it doesn't sneak into the combustion chamber and make a smoky mess. If these rings go bad, your engine's performance goes down the drain fast. Now, how do you know if your piston rings are the culprits? Here's where the compression test comes in. It's a fantastic way to diagnose potential engine problems without pulling everything apart. The main idea behind a compression test is simple. You're measuring how well your engine cylinders can hold pressure. Before you start, make sure your engine is cold. Safety first. Gather your tools, a compression tester. You can find these at most auto parts stores. It's a lifesaver. A wrench and a rag. Got everything? Awesome. Let's get started. First, disable the fuel and ignition systems. This prevents the engine from starting during the test, keeping you safe. Locate the spark plugs and remove them. Remember to label them if you want to put them back in the same spots. Next, screw the compression tester into one of the spark plug holes. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. Then, with the throttle wide open pedal to the metal, crank the engine for a few seconds. Watch the compression gauge needle. It should jump up and then settle. Record the reading. Repeat the test for each cylinder, and note down the results. What do those numbers mean? Well, every engine has a specified compression range, usually in pounds per square inch (psi). This information is often found in your vehicle's service manual or online. If your readings are consistently low across all cylinders, it could be a general engine issue, like worn piston rings, valves, or a blown head gasket. If one or two cylinders have significantly lower readings than the others, that cylinder is likely the problem area. What if the compression is low? First, you can add a little bit of oil into the spark plug hole. Repeat the compression test. If the compression goes up, the piston rings are likely worn. If it doesn't change much, the problem is probably with the valves. Don't worry, even if you find bad piston rings, it's not the end of the world. Replacing piston rings is a more involved job. Consider seeking professional help if you're not comfortable with engine work. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to understand car tips.